Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fully customize your iPhone home screen on iOS 26. Whether you want an authentic look or a minimal setup or just something fun or personally, this video has got you covered. Let's dive right in. It is simple and easy. Now the first thing that we're going to do is to open our settings. Yes, so how to customize your iPhone home screen. So after opening the settings, then we move to wallpaper. So now let's find it. Here is it. So you have the wallpaper here. Wallpaper. Let's tap on it. So after tapping on it, what we are going to do is we are going to set up our new wallpaper. Yes, so you are going to tap on new wallpaper. That's add new wallpaper. So here you can choose from Apple builds in the collection. You know, you have so many collections here, so you can choose from one. I hope you get it clear. Yes, so you can also set it blur with background and apply the iOS 26 depth effect on that layer. So now let's add it. So we have it here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add a particular picture here. Let's add a picture. Now let me look for that picture. Okay, let me check. I think I have this picture here. All right, so I've selected a picture here. Now let's wait for it to load. It's still loading. Now here is our picture. So what you're going to do, let me just increase the brightness of the screen. All right, so we have this thing here. So what we are going to do next, it is simple and easy. Yes, so we are going to increase the timeline. When you look at where the time is, the time is now 1:33. So we can just increase or extend it a little bit like this, something like this. Good. Now this bar, so we can just move it to anywhere we want to place it on the screen. Yes, so we can also add something here. Let's try to add the battery health and my Snapchat here. All right, so here is it. We can also change the background. You can also change it. It's simple and easy and doesn't require any complicated steps. Now this place too, you can add anything here. So you got any suggestion here, you can add it. Yes, in the suggestion menu, you can add any app over there, but I prefer Snapchat. So let me add Snapchat. It is simple and easy. Now with the torch and the camera that we have down here, you see there is a negative sign on top of it. So we can click on that place to eliminate it. So now it has been eliminated from that place. What we are going to do is to add a shortcut. Now I prefer using airplane mode for the first one, and second one I preferred using mobile data. All right, so here is the mobile data. All right, so it has been set already. So what we are going to do is to decrease the size of the real image. So we can go ahead and decrease the size of the real image. It is simple and easy. It does not require any complicated step. So we are done with the home screen. Yes, that's the wallpaper. We're done with the wallpaper and it's simple and easy. So what we are going to do is to add widgets. So now let's save the wallpaper. So this is our wallpaper now. This is our wallpaper for now. Yes, so it's loading. Let's wait for it to load. All right, so our wallpaper has been set. So now let's move back to home. So here is our wallpaper. Let's look at it carefully. So there is our wallpaper. Yes, this is our wallpaper. It is simple and easy, and it does not require any complicated steps. So when I want to turn on my data, I can just tap on this place, tap and hold it, and my data will be turned on. So if I want to put it on flight mode, I can also do the same thing here. I can just press and hold it, and it's going to take it towards flight mode. It is simple and easy. So if I want to turn it off, I can also do the same thing to it. Yes, so that's why I added this particular shortcut here. I really love it and I like it too as well. All right, so now let's go ahead and add widget. So we can add widget to our home screen. It's just by tapping and holding the home screen. So now after tapping and holding the home screen, we have edit and done. When you look at the top left and top right menu, we have the edit. We also have the done. So now we're going to tap on edit. So after tapping on edit, we have add widget, we have customize, We have edit wallpaper and we also have edit pages, and we are going to add widgets. So the aim that brought us here is to add the widgets. Add what? Widgets. So we can add widget to our home screen. Yes, add widget to our home screen. It is simple and easy. And let's tap on add widgets. So we have so many widgets here. Let me choose Snapchat because I really love Snapchat nowadays. Or let me tap on add. So I have added the Snapchat widget. So this is how to customize your home screen by adding a widget. You can go ahead and add so many widgets here to beautify your home screen. It is simple, as helps iPhone users to use their phone simple and easy. Yes, simple and easy, and it does not require any complicated step. Done. So to create on what? Done. So we are done with everything. We are done with it. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share. So whenever I release new video, you will be notified.